Go to your app store, look up macros first. Whenever you find it, it will look like a blue cube, not MyFitnessPal. The macro first links to my app. Now you're gonna get on this page right here, and you have a few options. You can click on the plus sign on the bottom, and it's gonna bring you to this page right here. You click on search food. Whenever you search food, I just put in eggs and I add it. And now it brings up a little screen to say what meal. And so I click breakfast. I just typed in eggs for reference, and then I click the plus sign and it enters it into the system. Now, if I'm back at the front page, I can also click on search foods on the bottom, and I'll just type my food in that category. Once I type in that food in the category, it'll pop up and I click add. I just typed in applesauce. Now I got applesauce in, and you can actually toggle how many carbs are in it or how many servings. And so I click that, I type in 26 servings, and let me toggle it a little bit more, and I'll put in 5 servings. That happens sometimes on applesauce. Now, always click on the bottom left. That's the dashboard. It's going to bring you back to the beginning. And if I look at my stats, it tells me how much more protein I need, how much more carbs, and how many more grams of fat I need to hit my caloric goal. So it's very important. So we've set your macros. What we'll do in the nutrition program, we'll set your macros, and you will be trying to hit those numbers set for you. We don't set this up on the assessment week. But once you log your meals for a week, get your measurements in and all that good stuff, then I'll be the one to set those moving forward if you do the nutrition program. So I hope this helps navigate you. Logging your food is one of the most important things. Even if you are only doing the fitness portions, I do recommend you to log your food. I do recommend you connect it to the app because I'll still be able to see it on my end, and I can take a look at it here and there. So that's all I got. Hopefully this is helpful.